welcome back to my channel. I had something in my eye before, that's why it's red, okay? That's it. That's the only reason why. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salvia and I have flat hair today. So today's video is in partnership with makeup.com, but it's super exciting because we're doing a whole tutorial on this baby right here. Alright guys, so first I'm going to show you all the swatches of the colors in this palette. The palette is super duper beautiful. I mean, look at it. It's stunning. I am actually so excited that Urban Decay is coming out with, that came out a palette like this. I feel like there's so many more mattes that we can use and they're super pigmented. I mean, look at my eyeballs. Look at my eyeballs. Okay. I feel like this look is kind of similar to something I've done previously, but that was what I was just drawn to immediately when looking at this palette. I mean, when you look at all the colors. And then I feel like if I added blue, then I would just be copying another look. I don't know. This is what I came up with, and this is what we're doing, and it's an eyeshadow tutorial, and I changed my background just for this freaking video. If you guys want to see swatches on this palette, then just keep on watching. If you want to skip to the tutorial, then just skip a little bit ahead. But let's get into it. Alright guys, it's been a long time since we did a voiceover. I'm in my kitchen, so it's gonna be a little echoey, okay? Real life here. We started off with just a moisturizer, and then we're using this Honeydew primer from NYX. I don't know why I started off with primer, guys, because I get eyeshadow all over my face, you'll see in just a bit. This primer was very weird, but I liked it. I'm using the Lancome brow pencil. Also really liked this as well. I'm really liking these very thin brow pencils lately. They just shape my brows out perfectly. And then added a little bit of this kind of like brow powder from Lancome just to darken up the brows for this look. Primed with a Smashbox 24-hour eye primer, and then set that with some concealer and also shaped out my brows with the concealer from NYX. So I'm going to shape that out with an Artis really thin brush. I actually like this for shaping out my brows. Then we're moving on to the Born to Run palette. This palette is beautiful, so great. I've been waiting for Urban Decay to really focus on their mattes, and I feel like they really did it in this palette. I'm taking a warm peachy color to the crease, and as I mentioned, you guys, I feel like I created a look like this before, but I was immediately drawn to these colors when looking at the palette and was like, let's do it. So I'm blending in an orange in the inner corner, and then I'm taking this very mauve, I don't even know, mauve-y, berry red, purple, and I'm blending that on the inner and outer corners. And then we're gonna pop some gold on the center. So I'm using the newly packaged all-nighter spray from Urban Decay, and I'm placing that gold right on the center. How beautiful. Like guys, in pictures it looks stunning. I added a darker gold on the outer corners just for some dimension, and then you're just going to see me go back in with the brushes and this L'Oreal Micellar water to clean it all up and make sure that it's all blended and perfect. I popped on some lashes, and then I'm using some NYX liquid liner just to make sure that the lashes are hidden. And then I'm going back to an old foundation that I used to love. This is the MAC Match Master in 4.0. It does oxidize, keep that in mind, so it does get a little bit tanner. And it matches my skin pretty well. I just haven't been this tan in a while, and honestly, I'm not complaining. Then I'm using some of that NYX HD concealer. By the way, I think this is in the number 5. And we're gonna eat some dinner. Guys, I was eating this throughout this entire video. I had to like edit out me eating so you guys can actually see me do makeup. I'm using this really cool 4D kabuki brush from Sigma with some Cover FX Perfect setting powder. Pop it on some peachy blush, and then I'm gonna pop on some bronzer because we cannot create a look without some bronzer. Honestly, if I had to have anything, I'd choose bronzer. I think I'd choose highlight over bronzer actually, but I choose bronzer. I'm then adding purple underneath the eye. I was originally going to go with a blue. I feel like a blue would look so pretty with this too. But I went with purple. I used a Sinful Colors purple eyeliner to deepen it up, and then I went back with a more pencil brush to also deepen up the purple. Then I'm taking this shimmery white shadow to the inner corners and also my brow bone. I gotta get that highlight popping. And we're gonna continue getting that highlight popping with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette. We're mixing these two shades together and then just popping that on our cheeks. If you want a really, really intense highlight, just use the setting spray first and then pop on your highlight. Go to town, girl. Keep putting on the highlight. Yes. I'm going to spray setting spray after to set everything, and then I'm going to finish off the eyes with mascara and then go over to the lips. This is a Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil. Really liked this color, and it was very interesting how it mixed with this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Very peachy nude, and it was a very mauvey lip liner, but it worked, and I really liked it. Wanted to glam up this lip, so I put on some NYX Glam Gloss, and this is the look. I love the way that this turned out. I want to hear you guys' thoughts down below. So comment, let me know if you're going to get this palette. Let me know if you like this look, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial on this palette right here. I hope you enjoyed this makeup and this look. If you did, please give this video a big, big, big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, the little bell, make sure it's got little lines around it so you do not miss another video. Thank you. Thank you. And then right here, don't forget to check out all of the rest of my videos. Love you guys. See you soon. See you later, alligators.